How to put an avatar you made in game and save it to Roblox so that it puts it on your character on the Roblox website. So you want to go down here to save to Roblox, or you could use the save command in the chat. I'll show you both ways. So if you do a new Roblox outfit, just realize that items that you don't own, it's not going to save to Roblox. Press the button, save to Roblox, press OK. And you can put it here. You can save it as anything. The other way is just it puts it on for you. Press yeah, and okay. But the thing with that is that I still recommend that you use the website version, because for some reason it doesn't put on all the accessories. I don't know why. I think that's just a glitch. It's not perfect, but I hope this helps.